So hello people, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jasmine Naomi. I know it's been long since I uploaded another video, but I'm fully back right now. So today I decided to do a DIY kind of project, So I'm gonna make butterflies and I'm gonna take you through the process and see how I made it. So yeah, so let's head straight to the video. So right here I have three papers, 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter, 10 by 10 centimeters, and 13 by 13 centimeters. So I'm gonna start right away with my 13 by 13 centimeters, and I'm gonna fold it into halves. As you can see what I'm doing right here, make sure that it is very straight, that both sides are equal, and also do the same to the other side. Fold it so well and make sure it is very straight. You don't want to make a mistake here. You're going to fold it again into a square. As you can see what I'm doing, just follow my steps. Fold it, then fold it into a triangle, like the shape of a mandazi. Yeah, I'm trying to show you how you're going to do it. It's very easy, very simple steps. Fold it so gently, as you can see what I'm doing right here. Once you fold it, you take your scissors and cut into an oval shape, oval or circle, but mostly oval shape, so that you get what I have here. As you can see how the paper looks like. Then here, just follow what I'm doing. It's very easy. Follow my steps on what I'm doing. You're going to fold the paper into a triangle shape, as you can see what I'm doing. Then you're going to take half of this piece of paper, like you can see that both sides folded, so take half of it and fold it into a half, as you can see what I'm doing right here. These are very simple steps, you can't miss to do this. Very simple, very easy, and you're going to have something like that. And you're going to take that triangle piece and fold it behind, and make sure it's above this piece of paper that you can see here, just a little bit of it, and you're going to fold it and do exactly as I'm doing. Very simple, and voila, that's our butterfly. Very beautiful, very smart. As you can see, you can make so many of this and pin them in your bedroom, in your office, for your kids' birthday, just to decorate anything. And yeah, this is what you're going to end up with. So beautiful. So for this, I'm just gonna let you people see what I'm doing. This is 10 by 10 piece of paper. Actually, you can do so different shapes, like you can do 5 by 5, 4 by 4, 3 by 3, 10 by 10 centimeters, but at the end you're going to end up with a butterfly. So for this, I'm going to let you watch and see what I do and learn.